First reading, Sirach chapter 35 verse 1 to 12. One who keeps the law multiplies offerings, one who follows the commandments offers communion sacrifices. Proof of gratitude is an offering of fine flour, almsgiving is sacrifice of praise. To abandon wickedness is what pleases the Lord, to give up wrongdoing is an expiatory sacrifice. Do not appear empty-handed in the Lord's presence. For all these things are due under the commandment. The offering of the upright graces the altar, and its savor rises before the Most High. The sacrifice of the upright is acceptable, its memorial will not be forgotten. Honor the Lord with generosity, do not stint the first fruits you bring. Add a smiling face to all your gifts, and be cheerful as you dedicate your tithes. Give to the Most High as He has given to you, as generously as your means can afford. For the Lord is a good rewarder, He will reward you 7 times over. Do not try to bribe Him with presents, He will not accept them. Do not put your faith in wrongly motivated sacrifices, for the Lord is a judge who is utterly impartial. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 50 verse 5 to 6, 7 to 8, 14, 23. Gather to me my faithful, who sealed my covenant by sacrifice. The heavens proclaim His saving justice, God Himself is judge. Listen, my people, I am speaking, Israel, I am giving evidence against you, I, God, your God. It is not with your sacrifices that I find fault, those burnt offerings constantly before me. Let thanksgiving be your sacrifice to God, fulfill the vows you make to the Most High. Honor to me is a sacrifice of thanksgiving, to the upright I will show God's salvation. Gospel, Mark chapter 10 verse 28 to 31. Peter took this up. Look, he said to him, we have left everything and followed you. Jesus said, in truth I tell you, there is no one who has left house, brothers, sisters, mother, father, children or land for my sake and for the sake of the gospel, who will not receive 100 times as much, houses, brothers, sisters, mothers, children and land and persecutions too now in this present time and, in the world to come, eternal life. Many who are first will be last, and the last, first.